today we've got an update on the 3D printing of Cinderella shades. Designed a file for it in the summer and did a little proof of concept on one of the earlier videos of coming back onto YouTube. I've had a lot of people asking for updates. I've had a couple of emails. The issue is I do not own a 3D printer. I can do the design work, but I don't have the budget to buy the 3D printer yet. So I've been outsourcing it to a friend. They tried it with I think it's PVLA printer, just like the plastic. It wasn't working out very well, and they've now started trying it on a resin printer. This is the first test print. As you can see, it looks like a Cinderella shade. It's a little distorted, but again, it's a test print, it's a process, but it's not far off. This is during the curing process. If anybody's wondering how it works with the resin printers, you've got to cure it with ultraviolet light. We're printing it in two parts. The outer shell, as in the cage with the wheels, which is normally gold on the shades, and then the inner shade part where the bulb attaches and is translucent and where the light comes out from. This is a test with just some basic £1 gold spray paint, and as you can see, it kind of starts bringing it to life. Don't worry about the inner part. That was a misprint, and it was just to give us something to hold on to and keep its shape. But that's where we're up to at the moment. We're still in the testing phase, we're still messing. Not only are we doing the Cinderella shades, we have a multitude of other shades already designed. We'll do either a video of that in full in the future or upload it as short, but stay subscribed, click the notification bell if you know anybody who's interested in things like this, share it out to them, and as soon as we get more updates, you'll get them. But we'll catch you on the next one.